मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। यह आम खाने में कैसा है? What does this mango taste like? What does this mango taste like? वह कैसा आदमी है? What sort of person is he? What sort of person is he? आज सभा होगी. The meeting will be held today. The meeting will be held today. आजकल रात ठंडी रहती है. These days the nights are cold. These days the nights are cold. मैं 10 वर्ष से शिक्षक हूँ. I have been a teacher for 10 years. I have been a teacher for 10 years. घर में किसने आग लगाई? Who set fire to the house? Who set fire to the house? उसकी आबरू पर भट्टा लग गया. His honor was tarnished. His honor was tarnished. वह मुझसे आंख नहीं मिला सकता. He cannot look me in the eye. He cannot look me in the eye. डॉक्टर ने मेरी नब्ज़ देखी. The doctor felt my pulse. The doctor felt my pulse. पहले अपना घर को संभालो. Put your own house in order first. Put your own house in order first. मैं खाने लगा. I began to eat. I began to eat. मेरी घड़ी आधा घंटा तेज चलती है. My watch is half an hour fast. My watch is half an hour fast. आप तो साक्षात भगवान हैं. You are God in human form. You are God in human form. वह मुझे नजर नहीं पड़ा. I could not spot him. I could not spot him. आज घर सूना लग रहा है. The house appears deserted today. The house appears deserted today. उसकी परख अच्छी है. He has a good power of judgment. He has a good power of judgment. उसके हाथ पैर सुन्न हो गए. His hand and feet were numb. His hand and feet were numb. उसे आदमी की पहचान है. He has a knack of knowing people. He has a knack of knowing people. वह इठला इठला कर बातें करती है. She talks with affectation. She talks with affectation. क्या वह दिल्ली का रहने वाला है? Does he hail from Delhi? Does he hail from Delhi? उन लोगों ने यह अफवाह उड़ा दी. They said this rumor about. They said this rumor about. मेरे गांव में एक हाथी है. There is an elephant in my village. There is an elephant in my village. दोपहर का समय था। It was midday. It was midday. मैं अपना काम अपने आप ही करता हूँ। I do my work myself. I do my work myself. पेड़ पर बहुत से बंदर थे। There were many monkeys on the tree. There were many monkeys on the tree. रमेश पढ़ने में तेज है। Ramesh is clever at studies. Ramesh is clever at studies. उसने एक मकान बनवाया। He has got a house built. He has got a house built. उसको कोई काम मिल गया है। He has got some job. He has got some job. आज मुझे बहुत से काम करने हैं। I have to do lots of work today. I have to do lots of work today. मैं उड़ती चिड़िया पहचानता हूँ। I can read through people at a glance. I can read through people at a glance. मुझे 5 बजे उठाना। Wake me up at 5. Wake me up at 5. मेरी घड़ी रुक गई है। My watch is stopped. My watch has stopped. कृपया समय मिला लें। Please set the time. Please set the time. उसमें चाबी दे दें ताकि यह फिर से चलने लगे। Wind it so that it may work again. Wind it so that it may work again. वर्षा हो रही थी। It was raining. It was raining. मैं अंग्रेजी सीखने के लिए बहुत अभ्यास कर रहा हूँ। I am doing lot of practice to learn English. I am doing lot of practice to learn English. भाड़ में जाएं तुम्हारे सपने। To hell with your dreams. To hell with your dreams. तुम हमेशा मुझे धोखा देते हो। You always cheat me. You always cheat me. कड़ी मेहनत सफलता की चाबी है। The hard work is key to success. The hard work is key to success. उसकी शादी मंदिर में हुई थी। His marriage took place in temple. His marriage took place in temple.